press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all safe, being safe, staying at home. And then in yesterday's class what we have discussed? In yesterday's class we have discussed how to find the loss or profit of a particular item if they give the percentages, correct? In this class just we are finding simple interest, rate, time and principal of a given amount. Already we have discussed, already I told you the definition of principal, amount. Amount is nothing but combination of principal and simple interest. Simple interest is the amount which is added to the money when we use it to return it to the bank, and principal means the amount which we have taken from the bank, borrowed, that is borrowed from the bank. Rate means the rate of interest at a particular amount. And then time means time period that the bank or financier that they have given to us to pay the amount back to them. Okay, here we have the formulas that simple interest is equals to PRT divided by 100. Principal means the amount that we have borrowed from the bank is equals to simple interest into 100 divided by RT. R equals to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. T equals T ಅಂದರೆ time period. Simple interest into 100 divided by P into R. Here, 9th question. In exercise 8.3, just we are discussing the solution for 9th question. Okay, what is there in the question? Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. What they are giving here? Find the amount. Amount andre enanta helide? We know that amount is equals to principal plus SI. SI andre enu? Simple interest. SI andre enu? Simple interest. Here what they are giving? They are giving two situations. One is principal equals to rupees 12,000 at 12% per amount, and here if you see this question, what we are getting here means find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. 2 cases ಇದಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಇದು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ 12% per amount, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ per amount ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ 12%, rate they are giving, time they are giving. Amount we have to find. To find amount we have to know two things. What are they? Principal and SI. We know the principal of the transaction and we don't know SA. That means we have to find the SA. To find SA we have a formula, that is PRT divided by 100. We know P here, R here and T here. Then we can find SI. Easily you can find SA. Given, what the given? Time. Simply in behalf of time period we can take T, 3 years. P, principal rupees 12,000, and then R, 12% per amount. Amount we have to find. That means the amount formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Principal plus, we know that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, amount equals to principal plus SI. Principal plus SI. Okay, principal we know. Principal value we know. We have to find SI. SI means simple interest. In behalf of simple interest, I am just writing SI. Enu PRT divided by 100. PRT divided by 100. Okay. SI like that only we have to write. P means 12,000 we have to write, and then R means 12 we have to write, and then T means 3 we have to write divided by 100. Okay, here 12 12s are 2 zeros also we can cancel here. 144 0 12. Okay, what is the simple interest on the amount 12% is 12,000 is 4,320. Simple interest ಏನಾಯಿತು 4,320 ಆಯಿತು. They are not asking us to find the simple interest. They are asking us to find the amount. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ principal ಗೊತ್ತು, simple interest we know. Just how we have to find the amount. Amount means amount. Therefore, amount equals to equation. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಏನು 12,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ SI ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4,320. 4,320. 12,000 plus 4,320 is 16,320. Therefore, the amount to be paid to the bank, to be paid at the end of 3 years in the case of principal rupees 12,000 at 12 paisa per amount interest is 16,320. Okay, they are giving another case also. Same we have to use the same formula and same procedure you have to use here too. Principal rupees 7,500 at a rate of interest 5. Okay, whatever they have given in the question, just write it down. Given P equals to rupees 7,500, P equals to rupees 7,500 and R equals to 5. R equals to per amount anta idre aduna R anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. R equals to 5. T equals to, in the first question also we take like that only, in B also 3 years. Simple interest we don't know, and amount we have to find here. To find simple interest, what we have to find amount, first we have to find simple interest. To find the simple interest, we have a formula of PRT divided by 100. Simple interest equals to PRT divided by 100. PRT ಏನು P ಅಂದರೆ 7,500 into 5 into R, 3 divided by 100. SI 75 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 7s are What we hear? One not 5 plus 7. 105 plus 7. 112. Simple interest on this is 1125 rupees. And now no need, just don't stop the problem here only. We have to find amount. Amount andre enu? We know that amount equals to principal plus SI. Principal enu 7,500 rupees plus 1125 rupees. 1125, 7,500. 5, 2, 6, 8. Therefore, the amount in a particular transaction is 8,625. 8,625. In this question, what we have did here means just what they are giving. They are asking us to find the amount. Principal amount they are giving. The principal amount is 7,500 at 5% per amount given ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? P 7,500 R 5 T 3 years ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ SI ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ SI ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we are going to find SI and then amount ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ SI. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7,500. SI ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1,125. Just if you add principal and SI means then we will get the answer, that is amount. What is the amount? 8,625. Okay, next question. Whatever there in that question, just you have to write them properly and we have to substitute them in the formulas. Okay, 10th question. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years. In 2 years. What they are giving? What rate gives? Rate na now kandidibeku. That means or we have to find here. Gives rupees 280 as simple interest. That means simple interest they are giving the simple interest of that particular transaction, and the simple interest is 280 and sum means principal. Sum andre enu ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ 56,000 ಇನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ 2 years. 2 years ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಗಿವೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ rupees 280 or we don't know. P ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಏನು? 56,000 and then time period they are giving 2 years. What we have to find? We have to find rate. We know that formula. We know one formula. R equals to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. P into T. Just you have to substitute all the values of simple interest P and T in the formula given below. That implies R equals to SI andre enu 280 into 100 divided by principal 56,000 into T 2. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 za 4 za correct, sorry, 1 za 2 za 1 by 2 into 2, that is 4. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? Correct? What we have did in this question is, what rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ 280 rupees and ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಬಾರೋಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾರೋಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 56,000 in 2 years. Just whatever they have given in the question, just we have to write that SI equals to rupees 280, R equals to we don't know, P equals to ಸಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ನಾವು P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 56,000, T equals to 2 years. We know that R equals to SI into 1000 divided by P into T. Whatever the values of the particular values of a particular things, just we have to mention them there. And then 280 into 100 divided by 56,000 into 2, and then taking cancellation we will get 0.25%. Then you have to write therefore 0.5% rate gives rupees 280 as simple interest in a sum of rupees 56,000 in a time period of 2 years. In a time period of 2 years. Okay, people. Okay, just go to the next question. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45, if Meena gives a rupees of 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per amount, what is the sum? What is the sum she borrowed? Here what they are giving? They are giving simple, sorry, first I will explain the question. What is there in the question? If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45, that means simple interest they are giving, and the simple interest amount is 45 rupees. And for 1 year that means time period they are giving 1 year at 9% rate per amount, or also they are giving, that is 9%. what is the sum she borrowed? What is the sum of the amount that she borrowed? Means sum andre enu? Principal. The amount that she borrowed andre enu? Principal amount we have to find here. To find the principal amount, we have one formula, that is P equals to R into T divided by 100. First we have to mention all the given things that they have given in the question, and then we have to substitute them in the formula, then we will get the answer. Given simple interest they are giving. What is simple interest? Rupees 45. Simple interest ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 45 rupees. Time period 1 year, or also they are giving, that is 5% per amount. Simply you can write 5 there. Principal. We have to find principal. We have to find principal. We know that principal, that means borrowed amount, P equals to SI into 100 divided by R into T. P equals to SI into 100 divided by R into T. SI ಏನು ನಮಗೆ 45 into 100 divided by R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 5 into 1. 1s are 9s are 9 into 100 900. What is the principal amount? 900. What is the principal amount? 900. Sorry, here they are given 9 5. What is the principal amount? Sorry, here R is 9%. In behalf of that, just I put 5%. 9%. 45 into 100 divided by 9 ones are 5s are 500. Therefore, the principal amount is rupees 500. Rupees 500. See here, just I substituted all the values all correctly, but when I am writing this one in behalf of 9, if I write here 5, the answer is wrong. Correct? When you are writing the each constraints values, you have to be very clear. Here SI is 45, time is 1 year, R equals to 9%, P equals to question mark. P ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? P ಅಂದ್ರೆ principal, SI into 100 divided by R into T. SI ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 45 into 100 divided by P and R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 9 into time period 1 year they are giving, that's why in behalf of T just I am putting 1. 45 into 100, that means 4500 divided by 9. 1s are 500s are 1s are 500s ಹಂಗನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Otherwise just we can take cancellation. Lastly, the conclusion is the principal amount is the principal of a certain transactions ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ is rupees 500 ಅಂತನೂ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. Okay, thank you children.